Hi there. So I made a stand for my donut and I put a small block, a cube of walnut and birch inside here. Now if I was real good, real fast, I might be able to get this one going in this direction, reach in there and get the other one going in the other direction, but I'm not that fast. So I just put this on a 3/8 inch rod. I drilled a hole, obviously, through the bottom half of this. Now I've had people tell me you can't tap threads into wood. Obviously you can. Now you need a straight grained, dense hardwood to do that. Birch worked perfectly. And I just used a common tap to do that. Used a small crescent wrench on there, or adjustable wrench, because I don't have a tap handle big enough for this. And you just have to go in very slowly. Go in a half turn, back it out. Go in another half turn, back it out. Make sure you're always clearing the chips out. And it worked very well. So that's all there was to that. Now, for the donut challenge, I just wanted to remind people that there's just a few days left, supposedly. I'd like to end this on May 31st, but if you're making a donut and you're going to be a little slower than that, let me know. My name's Rock, but I'm not made of stone, so I can certainly be a little amenable and extend it for a few days if you need. If you want to make a donut and don't have a YouTube channel that you're going to show the turning on, just take some photos, send them to me with your name, and I will include them in a slideshow I'm going to do of all the donuts that everybody is preparing for this. And I have to tell you, some of the ones that have been submitted already are just amazing. They're going to make this one look really bad, and yet I'm still pleased with it. So, I hope you will take part, and if you won't take part, I hope you'll come back and see the results of those who have. So, I look forward to getting more pictures, and you can send them to my email address, which I'm going to put in the description box down below this video, and I look forward to seeing them. So, until the next time I'm around, have a great day in your shop and be safe. I hope you'll come back next time. Between now and then, if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you do. It helps my channel. So, till next time, take care. Bye-bye now.